Yo, welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. Want to post anonymous comments in groups in 2025? This few-minute guide's super handy. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's jump in. Open your Facebook app. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner, then scroll to Groups. Pick a group you're part of, find a post, and type your comment. Look for a small button next to the comment box, click it and select Anonymous Participant. Hit Post and boom, your comment's up without showing your name. If you don't see the option, the group might not have anonymous posting enabled. Check with the admins. You're an anonymous commenting pro now. Share your group hack in the comments. Don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more. Peace out. See your next tricks.